next week. So, first of all, welcome all of you, and let's have a little bit glimpse of what exactly we would be covering there. So, the course code is AZ-500. What exactly that stands for? So, first thing is the topic name is Azure Security Engineer. Now, what exactly we learn there, and what are the prerequisites? So, prerequisite is you should be a little bit Wintel admin, maybe a couple of years with Windows server side technology, as well as a little bit Azure and interest in cybersecurity and security. So when we say security, see, nowadays security is burning hot. It's one topic which is very, very interesting. And even before AI, with AI, and even later with AI, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity is always going to be there, right? Now we know the world has got two sides, just like any other coin, right? The positives and the negatives. So when we talk about internet, when we talk about cloud computing, see, there are good people and there are bad people as well, right? So when it's very much interesting, the data is kept out there, it's very much helpful. The same time, there are people and there are bad actors which keeps trying to attack the data which is out there, right? And our job is to secure that data, right? Now, when we talk about cybersecurity, there are many type of attacks which are there, right? Usually, which we talk about, right? So when we talk about attacks, we talk about malware attacks, ransomware attacks. I'm sure you must have heard about many of those. Social hacking, phishing. We have got password attacks. We have got crypto attacks, social engineering, web injections, SQL injections, injection attacks, web application, insider risks, zero-day attacks. Now, how do we prevent them? Right. So, best part is first we try to prevent them. If not, and in case if some attack happens, then definitely we have to inspect it and have to find out who was the attacker and then catch them, hunt them out. Right. So that's the agenda. Now, what exactly we are going to learn? Let's have a quick look on the syllabus part. So talking about AZ-500 Azure Security Technologies, let me show you what exactly we are going to cover in a few days, right? So this particular course is going to run a few weeks in fact, because we are going to just work on roughly around an hour or 1.5 hour every day. And our timings will be like 9 p.m. 28 Jan onwards. So let's see what exactly we are going to cover here. So the topics, the first topic, or rather, when I say topic, it's not just one particular topic, it's the area, the study area, which we are going to focus on is identity and access. When we talk about syllabus, 25 to 30% of the questions comes from here. Now, when we talk about identity and access, what exactly we are going to learn here? So here we learn something like Entra ID, which is a new name for Azure Active Directory. We talk about users, insiders, guest users. How do we manage these particular users? How do we avoid the insider attacks? How do we audit and log who logged in, when the person had logged in? How do we check those particular audit logs? How do we control the access? How do we give only users minimal access so that they can do their job, right? So how do we control the access? We will talk about privilege identity management. We will talk about access reviews, auditing. We will talk about RBAC and AD rules. We will talk about least privilege access, right? So this is something, a doctrine which we talk about, right? So to just give a person limited access which he requires to do his job. So how do we control these things we talk about? And then we talk about privileged security. So these are the topics which we cover in this area, which is identity and access. The next study area is going to be secure network. Now, usually in each of these study area, we divide each study area almost a week we dedicate to it. Now, this is a very interesting area which we talk about, which is network infrastructure and securing that. Here we talk about best-in servers, jump servers. We talk about Azure firewalls, network security groups, application security groups. We talk about web application firewalls. And this is the place which we talk about a lot of application related attacks and how do you mitigate them, right? SQL injection, cross-site scripting, all those is going to be focused here. Even DDoS attack, that's denial of services. And we also talk about how do we ensure private connectivity, right? What are secure endpoints? What are private endpoints? Why are they required? How do we configure it, and how it secures our network? How do we make a private communication without people from public or from internet attacking our servers? How do we go without a public IP address? We focus all those things here in this particular module. So these are the core network security components which we talk about. 20 to 25% is the exam weightage for this. The next study area. So whenever I, again, as I said, the study area, maybe another week, maybe the third week, we dedicate here on secure compute, storage, and databases. How do you secure your databases? So there are various ways how do we secure. So we will talk about masking. We talk about encryptions. We talk about always encrypted. We talk about storage security. Right. We also talk about compute. When we talk about computer security, it's basically your apps and virtual machine. How do we secure it? So, compute security, storage security, database security. So, here the focus will be more on how do we secure your compute, storage, and databases and ways how we secure it. Here we are going to learn about SaaS tokens. We are going to talk about access keys, encryption options, masking, anti-masking, and various other topics will be covered here in this study area. Finally, we touch upon on manage security operations. Weightage wise, 25 to 30% weightage when it comes to exams. Again, maybe we dedicate a week into this study area. In this study area, we talk about various things like, for example, Sentinel. We talk about Azure Defender. We talk about monitoring and analytics. So Azure Defender, analytics, log analytics, how to work with KQL queries, Custo query language. We talk about Sentinel, which is CM and SOAR options there in Azure. What exactly is a Sentinel and how do we configure, manage? How do we do hunting? How do we work with workbooks, playbooks, and how do we work with logic apps? Right. So all those things are going to be concentrated here in this particular module, which is security operations. Now, sometimes what happens is if you cannot stop the fire, at least make it limited. So, which means something like, let's say, someone has attacked one of your systems. In case if the intruder or an attacker is already there in the network, now at least I should prevent him from going further into the network, right? So I do not want him to penetrate in my network. I want to cut him down there. So how do I realize that someone has come down into my network? How do I stop those particular systems which are already affected and impacted, right? We learn those things here. How do you reciprocate? And then how you hunt down that particular hunter, right? Hunt down the attacker and be an hunter. So we all these things basically we are going to learn here in this module or this study area, right? So lastly, 10 to 15% data protection and key management. Here we learn things like key vault. How do you protect your data? How do you work with secrets and credentials? How do you work with certificates? How do you apply these particular certificates, tag these certificates? How do you make your applications secured with SSL? So all those things about key management, key vault, working with key, integrating a key vault with your storage account databases or your compute, these things we are going to learn here. CMK, MMKs, customer managed keys, Microsoft managed keys. How do you rotate keys? These are the things which we are going to learn here. And with this, of course, we learn troubleshooting, best practices, and above all, other than Azure, overall, what is your security landscape? How do you get to know that? And how do you secure not only your workloads which are running on Azure, but overall on your data centers in a hybrid environment? We touch upon on that as well, right? So these are the topics which we focus on, and that will be all as far as the syllabus is concerned.
And
So
sir,
see
one
you
more, I
everyone
have a
on
one
28th
question,
May.
like who can do this course? Like what is the prerequisite to do this AZ 500?
Yes, Gaurav, great question. So, who can do this AZ-500? So, two prerequisites I will mention here. One, in fact, three prerequisites. The first prerequisite is you should have some basic knowledge of networking and Windows. A kind of a Wintel admin, if you are or you ever had been, you should have understanding about what is DHCP, what is DNS, basic IPv4, IPv6, those basic concepts you should be already aware of. So when I use a term like domain controller, domain, you should be aware, okay, so I would not expect someone says that, okay, Hitesh, what is a domain controller or a domain? I'm hearing it for the first time. No.
Mm-hmm.
So we expect that you already have that basic knowledge about basic networking, basic security, and Windows. Second is Azure. So again, you should have some basic fundamental knowledge on Azure. How do you create a VM, for example? How do you log in into Azure? How do you play around with Azure? Even if you have got a 3 to 6 months of knowledge and working knowledge on Azure, that should be good enough. So that's the
So, sir,
second
that means
prerequisite.
like if in case I completed my 104, then means I am eligible to do this course, right?
Absolutely. So if you have done AZ-104, you are
Mm.
absolutely eligible for this AZ-500. In fact, as far as exam is concerned, again, yes, if you have covered your AZ-104, which is Azure Administrator, you are very much eligible for this. And the third thing which I talked about is the prerequisite, of course, which is your interest. You should be interested very much into security arena, right?
Uh,
And that's the most important thing, trust me. Right? If
mhm.
you're interested about cybersecurity, like I am, right? Definitely do join us on 28th Jan and we will rock. Gaurav, any other question?
No, no, no. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. So, guys, again, like this batch, we are starting from 28th of January. The timing for this batch is 9 p.m. So, if in case you are not enrolled as of now, you can WhatsApp on our number. The number is already in the description, and you can contact our teams. You can contact me or my team. They can help you with the admission process. Moreover, the last, this course, including live training, recording session plus lab access. If you don't want to take your own labs, we have our own portals, we have Azure subscriptions where we are giving the subscription to our clients, so you can take including lab also. So thank you so much, Hitesh sir. Thank you so much for this
Thank
session.
you so much.
Thank you.
See you all on 28th, 9 p.m.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.